Yeah, you can feel the tone of these muscles down here. Yeah, feel like concrete.
Yeah.
We're actually going to adjust this pelvis and this tailbone first. A large reason why these muscles get tight and really fatigued at the end of the day, because when you get out of alignment, let me just adjust this back down. Other side for when you get out of alignment. Those smaller postural muscles in your spine, called multifidus, they're made for endurance and stability. Now, when they're not firing as they're supposed to, that's why straps, your lats, your QLs, they feel really tight during the day. Fatigued at the end. For some people, it could be, they've got to pick up something off the ground, their back goes. They're firing inappropriate for such a long period of time, which leads to this sort of symptoms. Just relaxing. Okay, just right up here, this upper cervical, about C1. Just relaxing there for you, okay? That's it. These structures up here, C1, 2, 3, same as that explanation down there, they can actually cause symptoms of headaches, tension in here as well, some neck pain. That's it. And you can sit up. Okay. Leaning all the way back and breathe out.